Alright, today is day 4. Yesterday it was cold, it was rainy, but for the next 10 days it looks like we're going to be in the 60s and maybe 70s. So yesterday we crossed in from Switzerland into Liechtenstein, and today we're going to bike up to Bodensee until we get tired, and hopefully it'll be shorts weather.
It's shorts weather.
Yeah,
It was shorts weather yesterday. It's shorts weather.
and it's just been a nice gradual downhill the entire way, no more hill climbs, so excited about that. We can really rack up some miles today. Alright, let's hop on our bikes.
Let's do this.
Getting a nice early start. It's almost 11 o'clock. Where does the time go in the morning?
I don't know.
This is a beautiful view. Perfect road for miles as far as you can see. We started the day biking towards the mountains, and this is the part of the Rhine where it turns left. And by the end of the day, the mountains were behind us as we headed to Lake Constance. We crossed into Switzerland again and got some lunch at a restaurant called Habsburg. It was conveniently located right on the trail with lots of bikers to chat and mingle with. After lunch, we hopped on the trail and crossed into Austria. Surprise! We didn't even know we were going to Austria, but here we are. The trails today were super smooth, super nice, super straight. The signs were perfect. We didn't need to look at our GPS or our phones at all. We found this cool vending machine at a water buffalo farm. They had fresh honey, water buffalo milk, water buffalo cheese, some sausage. If you'd like to find this place, I put it on a map here. I'll put a link to my webpage in the description below, and there you can find more photos, and I'll post a link to the Strava routes in case you want to visit any of the places that we visited. There's a lot more traffic than we're used to seeing on the trails today. This is a test to see if Jen is going to stop and pet the kitty.
Nice this morning. Oh, you did. Oh, yes. You're a lover. Hi, sweet girl.
This is pretty ideal biking, just a canopy of trees offering you shade, cool breeze from the lake just to the right that you can't quite see in the video. Love these kind of paths. And here we're arriving at Lake Constance. That's our hotel. In front of this big grassy field. There's a castle behind those trees that you can't see. We have an open air cinema. The EuroVelo passes right in front of our hotel. That's our hotel on the right, called Hotel Rots Kreutz, and it's right on the waterfront. Beautiful scenery. We ate at the restaurant there where they catch the fish out of the lake and they fry it right there. I didn't shoot a whole lot of video today, but here's some still shots just to show you what the city of Arbon looks like. It's pretty quaint, small enough that you can just see it in a matter of hours. Perfect for an evening stroll. And with that, we wrap up day 4.